Hi, I'm Lisa Grant from Grant Custom Designs. So I'm going to show you a really great way to make your displays look fabulous and get out your frustrations. Fire! Stay tuned. I was working this afternoon to come up with some new displays for my new setup for the shows. And I thought, crates. Oh, they're great. They're wonderful. You can get the unfinished ones, and they're pretty cheap. But then I thought, okay, they're boring. So then, next thought, stain. So then I thought about something that I do when I really want to make it look rustic and neat for the backings of some of my signs. And so I wanted to share this with you today and give you a few pointers on how I do it. So this technique's been around for a very long time. It's just that different people do it different ways. The way I do it may not be the right way for you, but I think it looks pretty good. I like the differences. I like the rusticness. And now let me show you how I do it. What I like about this method is you can control how dark or light you want to make the wood. I think that the grain comes out better than if you just stain it. Let's take a look. Okay, nice and clean and clear. You can go real light, so you can just barely see a little bit. Or you can go medium, so you can see it. Or you can go quite a bit heavy. I like the heavy in this particular thing. I'm using it for displays. I also use this technique for back pieces, so I can dry and cool. It just looks so much better if it looks a lot more authentic and realistic. I wanted to wear a bit so like I say, you can do whatever degree you want it to be. There we go. See how simple and easy it is? If it catches on fire, you just blow it out. It's no big deal. Fire. Watch. Ta-da! It's out. So the real trick to this is that when you're firing it, you're close, but you don't stop. Otherwise, you're going to have a little fire. Have fun.